Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Looms Hopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Minwan Ramangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Ka tenat pulit kalapha da ka jingterwa sha ka sarkar jilla bakan penkhano da ka perton pulit ka bathamai hapo ka ni ka jilla Meghalaya khnang ban penjanai shushu ya ka jingai jing shakri shakipat ba nong song snong hapo ka ni ka jilla kani ka jingterwa jong ka tenat pulit kalami ha ka jingelang balakhot penlong da menteri rangba ka sarkar jilla Konrad Sangma ha ka khat santri gubernur jilleu arjar arpuwai ha ka bari don langru menteri ka tenat ki kampo yeng ba la ka ben rumbui bat ki he officer jong ka tenat pulit ha ka jing yakran bat ki la pathai khubor menteri rangba uliye thoru ba ka jing khot yagani ka jingelang ka longru ban yakran ha ka ba dei bat ka jing pen klan shu ya ka tenat pulit kata da ka ba pen bena ya ki police outpost ki police station bat ki battalion
have felt that there is a strong need to strengthen the police force, and that is from three angles. First angle is to improve the existing infrastructure in the outpost police stations and battalions that are already existing, to train the manpower which we already have, and to ensure that the current system that is there, without expanding it, how to improve it. So that aspect was discussed in detail, and a very good report was given. We have gone through it. We're going to do another round of consultation with the SPs, and within a week to 10 days, we'll be taking a final decision on this first part of improving the existing outpost police stations, battalions, and the manpower, how to operate things. Second aspect that was discussed was the expansion and the of the overall presence of outposts in different critical zones, and also the filling up of post and manpower required to make things more efficient in most of the districts and police stations and outposts. So, for example, the cybercrime division. So we need to strengthen those. So it's already existing, but we need to augment it by having more investment, more human resource, qualified people. A lot of the districts, they don't have traffic branch, they don't have women's police stations. So how to expand the existing areas and getting more manpower and infrastructure within the system, so that we can augment and improve things. So that was the second part. So that means this will lead to creation of new posts, it will lead to creation of new locations, and ensuring that the existing locations also where manpower is less will also be improved. So that also a very detailed presentation was given. And for that also, again as I said, it will be taken as a whole, and then we'll have to look at the entire implications financially and otherwise to ensure that we take the right decision. So therefore, this aspect also will be combined with the first aspect which I was mentioning. Third aspect of the discussion was regarding raising of new battalions. And there also, the police department, the DGP and the ADG and other officials have placed on record the need to go for new battalions. And therefore now we are examining those aspects and seeing what are the financial implications, the support that the Government of India will give, the different rules and regulations that are into this, and really balance out also between this entire decision making of investing in the existing system and augmenting the existing system and creating new systems, and try to see how best we can use the limited resources that are there in order to get the maximum benefit in all these three areas. The Centre will support us in terms of certain percentage of raising these battalions. And after these battalions are raised, then within a year's time, the entire financial impact will fall on the state government to run this. So with the initial investment that is not that big compared to the overall impact in the next 15, 20, 30 years to come, so we have to examine all those aspects. As I mentioned, should it go into, suppose we have to spend 100 crores, should it go into improving the existing outposts, existing battalions, which many of them require a lot of infrastructure. Many of the police stations don't have the required manpower We need money for the cybercrime wing. We need money for the women's police and strengthening that in all the districts. So therefore, should we go and strengthen this first and then look at expanding the battalions, or should we expand the battalion and let the existing system remain as where it is? These are the kind of decisions that government has to go through and think carefully before we commit to it. So yes, Government of India will give us in the first year certain percentage of the running expenditure and certain percentage of the non-running expenditure, but that's very minimum. The main burden, on almost 95% of the burden at the end, in the next 15 to 20 years, 30 years, will have to be borne by the state government. So right, all these are very important. As I said, you see, we have a lot of police infrastructure. We have battalions everywhere. But the fact remains that half these battalions don't have the manpower, the infrastructure that is required. Half these police stations don't have the manpower, infrastructure required. A lot of the forensic labs, a lot of, as I said, other cybercrime labs, these are lacking in the infrastructure right now. So obviously all of this comes at a cost. So we need to balance out and realize that what decision to make, prioritize our decision making and invest in a proper manner. For example, I have already decided that 80 crores is what we are going to invest, which was part of the budget already, in the existing infrastructure. But apart from this 80 crores in the existing infrastructure, we still need much more. So therefore, keeping all these factors in mind, we are going to see the big picture, which we have seen today for the first time. We saw all the different aspects, but we now brought all of this together and got the blueprint ready. And then now we have to decide on which one to move for.